What's going on, guys? This is just going to be a really quick tutorial showing you how to make your game look pixelated. So let me show you what I mean. So let's just quickly apply this so you can see everything gets pixelated. So this kind of reminds me of those horror games you used to see where they made it look really pixelated, so that way it wasn't based on the graphics, it was based on sort of story. And over here, so you can actually turn this down. So if you want it to be really pixelated, you can half that value. Or if you want it to be even worse, you can make it really pixelated. When you're actually walking around, you can barely even tell what's going on. Oh, I didn't even turn it to 64. There you go. So yeah, I'm just going to go over how to show you how to do that today, because I thought it was I sort of ran into it by accident, and I thought it was a cool little effect. So let's go through how to show that. So let me delete this. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need a post-processing box. So I've got one already put in. It covers my whole area. And I believe you can select it so you cover the whole area, but I like actually making boxes so that way I know where it's covering. So if you want to put that in, you can just type in here post-process, and you can just drag one in. As you can see, it comes in as a little box. So let's have this box up. Let's have it there. So when I'm going to go fly into it, it's going to apply the effects I want. So first thing you're going to need to find is if you come down to rendering features, you'll see a post-process material. You'll click add and we'll click asset reference. Now let's go and make the material. So right click, make your material, and we're going to call it pixel because that's really cool, pixelation. Open that up. Now the first thing you want is you want the pixelation node. So I didn't even know this node existed, and what this does is it can pixelate anything you plug it into. But because we're doing it into post-process, click your material. Let's full screen this. Where it says your material domain, click that and turn it to post-process. So you can see only the emissive color comes up that you can plug stuff into. So the next thing you're going to need, if you type in texture, type in texture on here, it's called texture. Let me just check on here. Scene texture. So if you're on scene texture here, drag that in. Now what you want to do is you want to plug that into the beginning of that. Click on this, change that to post-process input, and connect that to your emissive color. Now we need a value to go in here. We'll turn that to 128, and we'll right click it, convert it to a parameter, call it pixelate or something like that. And that's done. That is literally all you need to do. So this is sort of introducing materials being plugged into your post-processor. So I'm going to go over some other stuff in the future, like being underwater and stuff appearing like more blue far away and stuff like that. Right. So now what we want to do is right click it, convert to material instance. Click on this, and where I'd created that thing before, just drag it in. Now if you fly into this box, it will become pixelated. And then because it's an instance, I could just turn up this value. And that's how you make some simple sort of pixelation effect. Hope you guys enjoyed. There will be more tutorials coming soon showing you how to do more effects like this. Not pixelation, but having it so it's in the post-process. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye-bye.